Kering Eco Plus Laminate. Scratch resistant, easy to clean and perfect for any space, transform your space effortlessly. As you can see, even if you scratch it hard, the surface of Eco Plus laminate still remains intact with no scratches. The flexibility of Kering Eco Plus laminates even more amazing. Not only can be bent into various shapes and be extended indefinitely, adapting to different sizes and shapes of space. This allows designers to give full play to their creativity and realize design concept in variety of styles, whether it's modern, traditional or natural. Kering Eco Plus laminates can be easily presented. Kering Eco Plus laminates is also very easy to clean. I poured some soy sauce on it, and as you can see, the soy sauce wiped off easily and left no stains on the surface at all. Whether it's kitchen cabinets, bathroom walls or TV cabinets, it's easy to clean. If you're looking for an eco-friendly, flexible and versatile decorative material, then Kering Eco Plus laminates is the ideal choice to help you realize your dream space.